Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have something pretty exciting to unbox. Small but cool. It's the Auxka NanoCube 20-watt wall charger. It says you're powered by Logic, GaN technology, PPS charging, USB-C 3. Let's take a look here. What's in the box? All right. Oh wow, this is quite a cool. Got a lot of certifications: USB-F, CE, FCC, ROHS. It's made out of a VO fire retardant ABS, so it won't catch fire or burn your house down. Yeah, and it's got one Type-C outlet. Oh, this is cool. Some information on the back. It says the world's most compact, measures just 30 by 30 by 28, 60% more compact compared to others. Okay, let's check if that's true. So, oh, there we go. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. It's just that. And there it is, 20 watts. Really, it's small. Oh, cool. So you bend the box, out pops your little charger. And this one that we have here today is the US plug type. Wow, it really is small. And it's really cute, beautiful white color. It actually also comes in black. So you've got a nice black, there's the white one. Nice black color as well as this white one right here. Good quality, feels firm, you know, no tinny plastic or anything like that. Auxka 20 watt power logic, USB-C PD 3.1. okay, 20 watts, and there it's got all what you need to know about it. It really is just so tiny. I mean, they say it's 30 millimeters cubed. I think they're about right, because honestly this is just minuscule. I mean, look, if we take the, look at that. It's really small. Yeah, so that's really very cool. I mean, it's a charger, 20 watts of fast charging, powered by gallium nitride. It's the type of technology they use nowadays. Reduces heat, and it's just so much safer than the older technology. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so there you have it, the Auxka. Let's try to get this one right. The Auxka NanoCube 20 watt wall charger, powered by Logic, GaN technology, PPS charging, USB-C PD 3.1. Yeah, if you're looking for a compact little charger to carry around, specifically maybe for your new iPhone, your new Samsung or something, this is the one. This is the one. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you soon.